Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create green screen videos in a CapCut PC. So here you can start by adding the videos that you want to turn into green screen to the CapCut PC like this. And then first, let's remove the background. Click on the video, remove background. Then here I'm going to use the auto removal. So just click on it and wait until the auto cutout is applied to the video and the background is completely gone. Okay, now once the background has been gone, it's completely deleted, you can just go to the basic in here, scroll down until you find canvas. Click on the drop down and change it into color. Now find the green screen or green color to change the background. So here I'm going to use this green color, and now you are done. So this is the green screen video. And that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So if you think it is helpful, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye!